And I'm back in my underwear. Hello, I'm Carrie and I do cosplay, crochet, and history bounding. And I made a corset! Okay, I made a mock-up. As you may see, it is unfinished and in a color that an Edwardian corset would not be. I mentioned that one of the things I wanted to do this year was actually get some work done on my World War I St. John Ambulance VAD uniform. I'm starting with the undergarments, which means I need an appropriate corset. Now I just said World War I costume, an Edwardian corset. A lot of the corsets in World War I were underbust. I've done that with the whole chemise underbust. It's not comfortable for me. But there's nothing to say that a woman might not choose to keep an old, comfortable corset. That still works. I have done a lot of research for this, including reading war diaries of some of the women that served as VAD nurses. And my goodness, the myriad of laborious tasks that they had to do. I need to make sure that I can do those same tasks in the corset as well. So today we're going to put my mock-up to the test in collaboration with Corsetry in Motion. We're going to go through some of the tasks that a VAD nurse would have had to do. The dress I'm going to be wearing today, my Sophie Hatter cosplay. As I said, I'm just starting this costume. I don't have any of it done. So we're improvising. Instead of stockings, I just have a pair of black socks. The boots should be black, but I haven't found a pair of black boots yet. I may end up just having to dye these. For the apron, I'm using the apron from my Cinderella cosplay. It's not full body, but it's what I have. A veil is the last thing I need. Normally, these would be white. All right, Now I'm ready to get some work done. And I'm back in my underwear. All right, I have spent most of the day in this thing. It's been pretty good. Not only have I done what you've seen me do, but I had to move my camera around, get that set up, rearrange things to have nice, pretty filming setting, which is moderately strenuous. It's not completely not moving. And I have to say, this thing has held up pretty well. Yes, I have changes I have to make. Biggest one, it's too big. And because of that, the corset has slipped down, which meant there were a couple of times when the busk dug into my tummy a bit. Will acknowledge that. But I think once I take it in a bit more and it's actually snug on the body the way it should be, that shouldn't be an issue. I did also make sure that I could go to the bathroom in this. Yes, I can. How does it compare to wearing a bra? I love this. So much more comfortable. There's no underwire trying to poke me at the sides of the boobs or in between. There's no straps digging into my shoulders. Usually an hour or so in a bra, and most of the time I am over it. This, as I said, it's been most of the day so far. I put this on first thing in the morning when I got up, and it's getting on to late afternoon. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see other videos as I work on recreating this World War I St. John Ambulance VAD uniform, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have fun and be creative. One more time. Yeah, I can move in it. Corsetry in motion, motion, motion. Dancing in my underwear, just for you.